PRD gave him tips and gave him advice about relationships.
So talagang it was your son that was the joy of his day today.
Yes, oo. Everything was, all our discussion revolved around the life of a young boy. He's 12 years old. So, and then he was visibly pleased when he saw his grandchild because he's tall already. The last time he saw him was he's not that tall. He's 5'5" now at 12 years old. So
Wow.
that made him visibly surprised and pleasantly surprised.
Sa politika po, meron kayo ng usapan.
Politics, wala. Let me remember. Wala naman. Meron siya nabanggit about Marcos, but ayoko na sabihin yung mga binanggit niya. Alam nyo naman na lahat yun kasi nakikita nyo naman kung anong nangyayari sa bansa natin. And he mentioned drugs as well in the current state of our country in terms of illegal drugs.
Okay, questions?
VP, may tanong po. Congratulations for the Office of the Vice President for receiving an unmodified statement from opinion
Yes.
from COA, I'm sorry,
Oo.
for 3 straight years under your leadership. What's
Yes.
your opinion with respect to this?
Well, it shows no, the transparency and accountability and the compliance of the Office of the Vice President with all the regulations required by law. So we are thankful for the hard work. I am thankful for the hard work of Office of the Vice President personnel.
VP, how was your trip in South Korea?
I did not go to South Korea, ma'am.
Australia.
Malaysia.
You answered a lot of questions about Australia.
Oo, yes, ma'am. Opo.
But are you planning to visit other countries?
Yes, ma'am, there is a Filipino community event already confirmed on July 27 in South Korea. Opo.
Oh yeah, that's the one. So
Oo.
ano pong gagawin doon? Just a community event?
It's a Filipino community program. They organized it and we were invited as speakers. Yes.
Does it
We-
mean sorry, go ahead.
Yes, we confirmed on the schedule because I wanted to thank the Filipino community as well in South Korea. Personally, thank them. I've always been thanking and I've always expressed my gratitude to the Filipino communities worldwide. But when we receive invitations, we really try to accommodate it so that we can personally thank everyone.
Does it mean po ba nandun po kayo sa South Korea during the SONA?
Hindi. During the SONA, I'll be traveling back to the Philippines. It's the travel day from Korea.
Vice President, ano po yung reaction ninyo or what does it mean when you told your spokesperson of the Office of the Vice President, Attorney
Ruth Castelo.
Ruth Castelo,
Oo.
yeah, that she will not be the attack dog of the Office of the Vice President?
Oo.
What's the motivation behind this?
Oo, because her job is for the institution, is for the Office of the Vice President. No, it's not political. It's not for me. So that is why she will only bring good news, accomplishments, and announcements of the Office of the Vice President.
Not the other woman.
Sino po?
Nag-a-atake sa inyo.
No. We do not want to besmirch the reputation of our office.
VP, speaking po ng kay spokesperson Castelo. So nabanggit po niya na meron daw pong additional 170 million dun sa budget ng OVP for next year. So ngayon po ang current budget na na-approve ng DBM ay 903 million.
Yes.
And sabi po ni spokesperson Castelo, for additional employees daw po and other IT equipment, yung sa cost na yun. So, saan po gagamitin exactly yung IT equipment? Tsaka ano po yung purpose ng additional employees?
It is best since the office of the vice president already has a spokesperson, no, and she has been allowed to discuss matters regarding everything about the office. So let's just direct the questions to her when she does her press con. She will conduct a regular press con.
VP, I know this question has been asked many times. Yung impeachment na nakahang pa rin sa'yo, how are you going to address the allegations of, for example, fictitious names as beneficiaries of the fund?
It can be very well addressed during trial. So our lawyers are preparing for the trial and collecting pieces of evidence and gathering affidavits from witnesses that they will present during trial. But let me just say this, no, na I think it is wrong for everyone to pick up as truth or as a fact all the pronouncements of the members of the House of Representatives, particularly with the fictitious names, because there are rules in intelligence operations, and you already heard some of intelligence people who worked in intelligence say that aliases are often used in intelligence operations. So, yeah.
So it can be deduced that the fictitious names are not real names but aliases.
That can be discussed during the trial, ma'am. I do not want to elaborate on intelligence operations. We have an intelligence expert on our side, two actually, who will be our resource persons. So let us wait for the trial. And as I said yesterday, if there is no trial, then I will answer it publicly. But I just want to wait what will happen to the articles of impeachment.
Kung regarding naman po sa case ng inyong aba, so yung defense team po, si Attorney Kaufman, he seeks to present po yung Senate findings ng committee po or ng panel po ni Senator Jaime Marcos. So napag-usapan po ba ninyo yun ni Senator Marcos nung magkasama po kayo sa Malaysia? Tsaka sa tingin po ninyo, ano po ba magiging epekto nitong paggamit ng kung papayagan kung magamit itong panel report dun sa ICC case?
I've not discussed the findings of the committee of Senator Marcos with her. I do not know. They had a private meeting. Attorney Kaufman and Senator Marcos had a private meeting here in The Hague when she came for the rally. And I do not know what they discussed. And Attorney Kaufman is careful as well on what he discusses with me because there are some things, there are many parts of the defense strategy that are confidential and are privileged between the lawyer and the client.
Ma'am, kumusta po pala yung inaayos ng oath-taking for mayor of your father? Is it going to happen?
Hindi po ako nag-aayos ng oath-taking niya, ma'am. Inaasikaso po yon ng kanyang mga abogado sa Pilipinas. So hindi ko po alam kung anong update ng mga lawyers niya sa Pilipinas. Andito po ako para bumisita kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at magbigay ng magpakita ng suporta sa kanya.
Bibi, can I ask a question? Nakita niyo po yung mga evidence ni Auntie Claire Castro na half of the evidence po is blanco, na mga barangays that free, drugs free daw po Bibi, tapos na masyado daw makapal yung mga list, pero half of that is empty. Ano po masasabi niyo?
Well, it's not surprising coming from the administration, no? They fabricate many things and many accusations. So I would not be surprised if they fabricate data with regard to the drug situation.
Saan po na siya Bibi na findings?
absent a law on fake news, kung ano yung hindi totoo, hindi truthful, and faithful to the facts, that would be fake news, yes.
VP, I know we ask this all the time. Meron po bang mensahe si President Duterte sa mga kababayan niya?
Kanina, masyadong mahaba kasi I'm sorry ha. Kanina, he had message for everyone. But it was so long and somehow hindi ko na nakuha lahat. I'm so sorry.
Pero VP, to follow up on that, is our former president ever tired of us asking about his message to us? Kasi meron nagtanong, VP.
No. I ask him his message every day. Pero gist ko na lang yung kanina na sinasabi niya ha. Sinabi niya, lahat ng ginawa niya ay para sa bansa. At sinabi niya, hindi lahat ng mga nakakulong. He was directing it to my son actually. Sabi niya, not all people in detention are bad. I am not here because I am a kidnapper, I am a robber, I am a holdupper, I am a thief. I am here because I did things for my country. And I do not regret going after criminals and going after people dealing in illegal drugs for my country. So yun yung gist na medyo mahaba yun kanina. Pero
Pwede ako magtanong tungkol kasi kaibigan mo si Amy Marcos. Kasi palagi ako papunta dito, walang nagtatanong tungkol sa dalawa ninyo. Yung nagpunta ka sa Villamor Airways, natanong mo ba ni Amy Marcos na saan siya? Kasi hindi ka pinapasok eh. Tapos yung si Alpotera nakapasok. Yun lang ang tanong ko. Kasi kaibigan mo siya. Di ba kung
hindi ko siya-
kaibigan mo siya, nandoon siya sa'yo?
Wait ma'am, sandali ha.
Kasi may
Hindi ko na kasi maalala ma'am. Tingnan ko lang yung chat namin ma'am.
Oo,
Kung
kasi-
nag-kausap kami nung araw na
Kasi-
yun ma'am.
marami nagtatanong
March
sa
11
akin.
yun no.
Okay, importante naman to. Sasagutin niya. Sasagutin niya.
Hanapin ko lang ma'am kung meron kaming chat that day, March 11. Pero sa maalala ko lang ma'am, wait lang. Tingnan na lang natin para hindi. So,
Magandang weather ngayon, BP.
oh, mahaba din yung chat namin. Sandali lang.
Sorry.
Nasa May pa tayo. Nasa May 10 pa tayo. May 7 pa tayo. May 1. So may isang buwan pa. May April 12. April 6. Layo pa.
Nag-ano siya eh. Nag-ganon-ganon siya. Ay, nasa bus.
March 11.
That is very important. That is very important because si BP is very trusted with Amy Marcos. Baka yan ang manggulo sa 2028. Yes, yes.
Cool ka lang.
Yeah, I know. Marcos is traitor.
Love, calm down.
Yeah, I know.
Wala kami during the ma'am.
That is very important, BP.
Okay lang.
Wala ma'am. Wala kami.
Convo.
Oh, hindi mo siya natanong
Actually, natanong ma'am kung
nasaan
kung
siya,
pwede
kaibigan ka.
nasaan siya. Hindi ko siya natanong nun ma'am.
Bakit hindi siya doon sa Villamor Airways kung tapat siya sa iyo, tapat siya sa mga Duterte? Kasi nakipag-ariglo siya sa iyo, naging kaibigan mo na ngayon.
Ma'am,
Tapos wala siya sa Villamor Airways.
oo,
Sagutin mo
hindi
siya.
naman ako, hindi ako spokesperson ni Senator Amy Marcos. Pero, in fairness to her, ang dami nang wala doon sa Villamor Air Base, ma'am. Ang dami talaga na nagsasabi na para kay President Duterte sila at sumusuporta sila kay President Duterte, pero wala sila doon sa Villamor Air Base at all.
Pero ang girlfriend,
Okay, tama na.
Okay na to.
Next question. Tama na.
Wait lang, ma'am, chismis. Sino ang girlfriend,
Next
ma'am?
question. Yun.
Ha?
Oh.
Yes.
Napakinggan ko yung interview ni Manong Chavez sa Bilyonaryo na pag kumandidato ka po daw po kayo sa 2020, full support din daw po siya sa'yo. Kahit nagka-anusyon na daw po si Alzheimer na si BBM. Ano masasabi mo kay Manong Chavez?
Well, nagpapasalamat ako kay former Governor Chavez Singson. In fact, tumatawag siya sa akin twice bago yan lumabas ang interview. Tumawag siya sa akin. Twice ko din na hindi nakatanggap yung call niya, na miss call lang siya. Tapos nung nag-message naman ako sa kanya na tatawag ako, hindi na siya nakasagot, baka busy din kasi. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa kanyang suporta. At isa siya sa mga tao na kilala ko na maayos kausap at may prinsipyo na tao.
Ma'am, another question. That's 3 years from now, the presidential election. But right now, what does the VP want to do as the Vice President and once and for all address the criticisms that you've been not doing your job but just going around the world? So, ano po yung plano natin?
Yes, ma'am. Very recently, we did our Pasidungog, no? Doon sa Pasidungog ay binigay na namin yung report namin sa taong bayan kung ano yung isang taon na nangyari sa Office of the Vice President. At binigyan din namin ng recognition yung mga partners namin for the past year sa Office of the Vice President. Since tinanggal na ng House of Representatives or ng Congress yung medical and burial assistance ng Office of the Vice President, ang naiwan na lang sa mga projects namin ay pagbabago yung Million Learners and Trees campaign. This is a campaign for education, targeting 1 million school children by 2028 and targeting 1 million trees by 2028. And then ang next namin is ang Magnegosyo Taday namin. This is targeting women's association and LGBT groups or individuals who want to access financing for their micro or small enterprises. And then ang next is we still have our disaster operations center. Yun sila, araw-araw yun nagbibigay nung tulong namin kapag merong sunog, may baha, merong evacuees dahil sa pagsabog ng bulkan or dahil sa bagyo, kung ano man yung problem doon sa area of responsibility nila. And then we also have the Libreng Sakay program. Ito yung mga buses na pinahiram sa Office of the Vice President. So ang ginawa namin ay nilagay namin sila sa mga ruta na kailangan ng augmentation, transportation during high traffic hours. And then ang next namin is yung Pansarap program namin. This is the feeding program namin wherein we target school children, malnourished school children for 120 days. We do our feeding program. In fact, meron kaming funny story dito sa Pansarap namin na project, no? Dahil after 120 days, nagkaroon kami ng beneficiary na naging obese ang kanyang weight. So nagka-problema na naman kami kasi sabi nung aming project manager, hindi pwedeng obese ang isang bata. So kailangan doon sila pumasok sa weight para sa edad nila. So yun po yung mga projects ongoing for the Office of the Vice President. And dagdag doon sa mga ginagawa ng opisina namin doon sa loob ng Office of the Vice President and mga satellite offices namin, no? We have in Pangasinan, in Isabela, in National Capital Region, and then we have Western, Central, and Eastern Visayas. We have BARM, we have Western Mindanao, Southern Mindanao, and Caraga.
Correct.
And Bicol. So, yan yung mga ginagawa nila. And then, para sa akin, dinadagdag namin yung mga invitations ng various associations. And then, yung invitations ng Filipino communities abroad, mainly to discuss what happened to President Duterte at anong nangyari doon sa kanyang extraordinary rendition and yung injustice ng ICC, injustice na ginagawa ng ICC, holding an 80-year-old man in detention knowing he has health problems. And then yung discuss din namin during our Filipino community events kung ano ba yung mga gusto makita ng mga kababayan natin, lahat ng mga OFWs na nakatira or nakatrabaho abroad dahil napakaraming best practices around the globe. And then finally, we discuss what is happening right now in our country. So yan yung mga ginagawa namin.
Ma'am, kailan ang next visit niyo? Kita tayo Digong.
Wala pa akong schedule kasi medyo mahaba yung schedule ni Veronica dahil school break na niya eh. So mahaba yung kanyang time dito.
Okay. But you will be here, wala lang schedule ang visit niya.
Wala ako dito. Pag wala akong schedule sa bisita, wala din ako dito. Nandito lang ako pag may schedule ako sa bisita
Okay.
sa loob.
Ma'am, I have a question. One question, ma'am.
4 na. 4 times a week. Tama.
Ma'am, I have a question. As an excellent, hardworking Vice President with 3 consecutive unmodified opinion from COA, what is your message to your detractors who tries to pull you down to the mud when in fact you're shining like a star?
Sinabi ko na yan. Kuyawa po na ato.
course.
Puro magkanang.
Siya, beauty
Para
queen.
ito beauty contest
Correct.
with a beauty queen answer, no? Grabe. No, ano lang. As I said, di ba, before, when they started, sabi ko, you just try and drag me to hell. Then, we'll see.
VP, mabuhay ka, mahal ka ng mga Pilipino.
Thank you. So, okay,
Okay.
na.
Additional, one more question po.
Oo.
BB, kasi di ba since March po, nung dinala po dito si former president, and then until now, meron pong relatives from the Duterte family. Meron na po ba kayong estimate na kung magkano na po yung nagastos ng yung family dun sa pagbisita niyo po dito for the past 3 months po?
Naku, hindi. Hindi kami nagkakwenta ng gastos namin sa pagbigay ng suporta kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. As I'm sure hindi nagkakwenta itong mga pabalik-balik.
Exactly.
Hindi
Relax.
nga kami nagkwenta 2 beses kami mag-drink. That is personal question, ma'am.
Okay,
sir.
okay.
Relax lang, relax lang.
Okay na.
Legal
Okay na.
funds. How is it that, of course, as the proceedings drag, may legal funds na na-incur with paying the defense team. So, you mentioned before na hati-hati din among the family members. Is the accessing the legal defense fund at the ICC is on the table or still not
No,
considering it?
wala ako. I don't remember anything. I don't remember saying noon na hati-hati kami sa legal funds. Ang legal funds po ay pinag-uusapan ng client at ng lawyer. So, medyo confidential po yun. Hindi po sinasabi ng lawyer kung ano yung napag-usapan nila ng kliyente niya, no? So, sa kanila yon. But sa travel namin, kanya-kanya po yung gastos. Hindi po kami kumukuha sa isang common fund or ano. Kanya-kanya pong hanap ng resources para makabisita kay dating Pangulong Duterte.
Thank you,
Okay,
VP.
thank you kasi
Thank you
nandyan
na,
yung
oo.
minor na anak niya nag-aantay.
Yes.
Can I ask
Thank
the
you.
first timers? Ma'am, do you have a few minutes for
Yes.
pictures?
Oo, dito na
Can
lang.
Can we
Dito
prioritize the
exit.
first timers?
Doon daw, sir. Doon
Let's
daw mag-start,
prioritize
sir.
the